Basilica of the Saint John the Baptist, or Saint Jan, as Polish say. This is the main Catholic temple in Warsaw. To regret, it's the replica. Initially, the building was erected in the middle of 18th century, but it was destroyed in 1944 during the well-known Warsaw Uprising, and it was rebuilt only after the Second World War in the middle of 1950s. Inside the church you can see a lot of boards, memorial boards with some famous people. For example, I found Leon Kaczynski. This is the president of the Poland who died in air catastrophe in Russia, in Smolensk. I think you know this. And Joseph Pilsudski, the first president of the Poland in 20th century. So this is the not original church. This is a replica of the temple which used to be stay here. And from the left side, from this, the Kiris Jesuit church, not so big temple, and interior is not so rich, like in compare with its neighbors. Yes, but even for example in peak hour, when there are a lot of tourists, here is rather quiet and the visitors is zero, we can say.